Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time, nobody can tell me you ain't mine, yeah. To be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby, tell them other niggas bye-bye, yeah. Come over here, so I know you love my accent.
So we at a market here.
No, markets, guys.
The taxi driver says it's one of like the cleanest. You can tell it's very organized. Yeah. So we can get here or just have a look around.
They selling the breadfruit.
What's that? Oh, star fruit.
How much is your breadfruit?
Breadfruit, some is $3, some is $4. The bigger one is $5. Want to help?
Because we don't have like wood fire to roast it, so the only thing is to boil it. Yeah, we can do that. Yeah, we'll grab one. Yeah, we'll grab one.
Yeah, we'll take a breadfruit.
Will you get a bigger one?
No, small one is good.
Small one.
Smaller one. Yeah. Can you get my wallet?
You don't stop. I'm going to.
You know what I see from afar, babe? I see soursop down there. when we get down there. Yeah, it's a big market, guys. Massive, look at that. Look, babe, soursop. Yeah.
You want to get one?
Yeah, they have ripe one.
You have a ripe one? Yeah, they seem ripe.
Tomorrow it will be ready.
This one feels ripe.
This one?
Yeah, feel that.
Yeah. Trying to find. It's the ripest, but.
This one seems ripe.
Wait a minute.
Tomorrow.
Oh, they have plum too. Yeah, I didn't even realize. They have plum here, guys. Tomorrow, I'll feel it again, because yeah, it's quite soft. I'll probably grab it.
How much is one? $5.
Yeah, long time I don't have soursop in Jamaica, you know. Yeah, no. They have plum, guys. Chewing plum. They have a pear, them nice fat pear. In Australia, it's just some tiny little pear, you see. Look at these. Massive. Massive. Bula. Need on? Okay. Bula. What else?
Can we get ladyfinger bananas?
Yeah. Bula. Yeah? What are you doing? Dodo. Yeah? Alright. Yeah, that's good. This is all their this is the pumpkin. Yeah. They look a different color kinda. Like nice. Pineapple like no tomorrow. That's a banana and corn and cucumber, guava. And them guava, yeah. Long time I don't see them look at them guava, yeah. Come Bobo. I'm gonna hold that one.
You hold your one for your one.
Alright.
Yeah. See if they got it.
Oh yeah. The only thing is, come Island. Oi. This is the man. I asked we are going to tell you. And they come here, they come here. This is all the coconuts. I would say coconut. From coconut. No. If we get yam, it have to be, if it's for the soup, it have to be yellow. If it's soft yam, it have to be boiled.
This one.
Ay, bula. No chance. No, we good for now. Thank you. Is that the Kava?
Kava.
Nice market.
On vacation?
Yeah. Oh, it's raining badly out there now. Oh, it seems close. Hola. This is a restaurant. Island, stay here. So there's a restaurant there. That's that curry maha. Nice. And as you guys can see, lots of rain right now. That shower down. Big market. Beautiful though. Island, what is it?
But beef is more than chicken.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh wow, what are these guys in this?
We're like on a tour.
They came to the mud pool.
Yeah, that's where we saw them for real.
Interesting.
One
Yeah,
day,
so like depends
one
on.
day there was like few of them.
Alright guys, so we're at the market we're at on Sunday.
Another big one.
Yeah, so let's see if we can get some fish. What's that? Huh? Yeah, coconut. Oh, it's closed? You serious? No fish again? Why we salt like what? We salt like what?
This is like crazy.
Yeah. This is inside of the market, guys. Island, come on. Let's go down there. Walk up the man.
What's wrong with it?
I don't know, I'm team.
What's wrong with it? Stop me.
What's your problem? What's your problem? You don't have your love in your hand, Bertrand?
Alright, we're just gonna get. What are we gonna get then? Chicken?
Yeah, we have to go get
Have to
that.
go to the supermarket.
Yeah. This is the Kava.
Yeah, this is Kava.
Yeah. It's everywhere. They drink it a lot here, guys. As they say, it makes you lazy. And the taxi drivers were saying that he thinks that's what caused a lot of Fijians downfall
Yeah.
because of the Kava.
Because of the Kava makes them lazy.
Yeah,
they
they
not want to do anything.
Yeah. So it's interesting to know.
It's true if you think about it.
Yeah. They. Yeah. Oh, so this is the outside where we were at on Sunday. Oh, so you realize on Sunday they have it on the.
Okay?
You realize on Sunday they have it on the floor,
Yes.
but during the week no one is out here on the floor with their stuff. I guess they all go in the market.
Supermarket.
Yeah.
They don't have fish, guys. They're closed again.
Yeah, no fish again.
Just
We
so
out of luck.
strange for an island.
Yeah, man.
So we're just gonna have chicken soup then.
Chicken, I'm gonna do it, you see me? So stick around. Just going into a. Oh, shit. That splash all over me.
Use of vehicle and housing among others. He says they have carried out a number of changes in regulations to ensure actions are taken on the coalition government's policies. Chen says they are working with the Ministry of Finance in further
Like a normal supermarket I had, you know?
He says they have been carrying out the other changes. These include the shift of planning age from 55 to 60, establishment of staffing in different
Hola.
districts, and reorganization of civil service.
Alright, let me be careful. Oh, yeah. Yeah. They do that as well? Yeah. Let's chop it up and...
Can I get a kilo of the rooster leg quarter? Yeah. And are you able to chop it up for me? Yeah.
Ministry plans to enhance the aviation industry in Fiji to be globally competitive.
Yeah, guys, so this is like a local meat market. Like the other day I got lamb and he chopped it up in pieces for me.
Yeah.
International airports. Kava says that airports around the country need to be enhanced to ensure they are up to par. Kava says there are huge plans for the airport.
$14.
Yep, that's fine. Plenty.
Yeah. Yeah. Eh? True.
Ya cinta lah. Ya, ada tak kau dalam tu?
That's too much work. You take some home.
Yeah.
Too much work.
Yeah, let him have some.
Take some home.
Some of those as wholly easy.
Yeah,
Like
he
he's
knows which
choosing the
one to
best
pick.
ones.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cikgu mi selera ni musuh karang. Mix apa itu? Kali ni. Tidak.
So he can replant them.
Yeah.
So he can replant them, no?
Ya, ya.
Yeah. We only want 3. You take the rest home.
One more.
No, you,
No, no, no. You take this.
oh, this? Okay.
Kau
Yeah,
ambil
and
kau.
that too. Yeah, take it.
Ambil itu. Ya.
That's plenty. Too much.
You saw the planting tractor?
Yeah, plenty.
Yeah, yeah.
See, they have the bigger ones there. See.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
They're massive.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright. Come. You good?
Went to buy chicken.
You can put it for me.
market.
Yeah, big. See, those ones are purple. See the ones there?
Yeah.
That's purple.
I don't know.
Oh shoot!
Hot, eh?
Sorry, I just had a spider on me.
Spider?
Yeah,
A little one.
a little baby one. Yeah, alright, we go home, relax now. The day is finished.
You got swimming pool there?
Now,
Oh.
as we have air conditioner.
Oh.
Yeah.
How much is it for a night there?
Like, works out to be about maybe $70 a night.
Oh, I get 60,000.
Yeah,
$70 a night.
yeah.
Halo. Awar tu 60,000 ni. Dari berapa aku sangat lepas?
Hang on. Oh, they've been trying to call me. Oh, maybe the Wi-Fi's. Maybe she got sour salt, no?
Yeah, that's good.
Is it right? The south up?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's maybe, it's ripe, no, would you say?
Yeah, by tomorrow it will be.
By tomorrow.
Yeah.
Can you do fishing in this river?
Yeah, they fish here. Yeah.
What kind of fish you catch?
The small one.
Small.
Sometimes you get some of the fish in the sea too around here because the sea is close by.
Yeah.
It's a kind of fish, I forgot the name. We call it Malaya in Fiji.
Oh,
How many people
it's a
live
village,
there?
guys.
Quite a number of
Number of people?
yeah.
Now,
The houses in the village are close by to each other.
yeah, you
Yeah.
can see.
Yeah.
It's plum. Yes. Okay, soon, Bobo.
They're lucky. This village live next to the shops.
Yeah. So all this is their land, no?
Wow.
Okay.
For leasing.
Yes.
Only problem they never got good money from the land because most of the land here were bought in the that time when the value was very low. Say for
Okay.
example, I give you an example in just past close to the airport. One of my uncle used to, when he got like 2 properties there, like he bought 2 properties. He bought the land there, empty land, back then for $1,000 for the quarter acre,
Wow.
$1,000. And just beside it, there's also one quarter acre empty land.
Yeah.
They're selling it for $250,000 now.
Wow.
So the value is really
Yeah. And those that village there you showed us just now,
Yeah.
is that flood too?
No, it's on the top.
Okay. Do you have many like foreign people, white people that live here?
There are some, but not many. And most of them they live in Denarau,
So like the Richie area.
Oh.
Is it hard to you reckon it's hard to live here as a foreign person?
No. I see that the foreign people they are well off here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because most of them come with money.
Yeah.
But I had a friend who brought about, this is a true story, who brought about $3 million. He was in Brisbane. So he wanted to invest. He came with a wife.
Yeah.
He wanted to come and invest,
Yeah.
but I mean, I think he chose the wrong. Yeah, so he bought plenty land, you know, and he bought he tried to bring his car over,
Yeah.
and the quarantine department they asked him to pay 50,000 for his car to get out from the port.
Oh.
So he just took it back.
Okay.
Instead of paying the 50,000.
Yeah.
So with the last government, it's a bit hard for the foreign people to come and invest.
Yeah.
Yeah. So they were like, you know, asking him a lot of money
Yeah.
Yeah.
to start off with business. So
Yeah.
he just went back. Yeah.
Lots of investments and
True.
team.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
But thank you so much
Okay,
for
thank you
today.
very much.
I
Yeah,
really
thank
enjoyed
you.
Okay.
the
No
taro.
worries.
Let's split the taro. We only want a little town.
Yes. This is Matitan. This is one of the busiest sport at night for those who bring up clubbing and everything.
You go clubbing, Daka?
Only sometimes. Yeah.
They have Scotiabank.
Also, Scotiabank.
That's crazy.
It's like all of the islands, they're so similar. They have most of the same companies and stuff.
We'll just go to the BSP over there. We don't know what that is.
Yeah.
So Ireland is such a sweetheart. He always shows me love and affection.
Aren't you? Can you kiss? Kiss mommy? Oh, see guys, he's so darling. He's so darling. No, that's a bit close. So you see, everyone's gonna see mummy's pimples. Where are we?
Pizza.
Pizza. Where are we?
I need pizza.
Islands Pizza. Oh, that's a good. You created that one.
Businessman already.
Wow, I know. 2-year-old turned businessman overnight. Oh, look how sweet he is, my little Gigi. Love you. Does Daddy get the same kiss and hug? Yeah, and then they grow old. Listen, hang on. And then they grow old, and then they get themselves a girlfriend, and they forget to kiss Mummy and Daddy again. That's how it rolls, isn't it?
Yeah, man.
Something like that. No, that's spicy. Don't want that one. It's spicy, gocho.
I want.
And that's the way it is.
Pizza.
We're having pizza tonight, guys. Is that the GoPro making noise? It's your watch.
Oh, probably it's way touch on.
You probably did touch something, usually.
Mommy.
Sit down.
Ask him.
Okay, after dinner, after pizza.
Okay. Hello.
Hi, baby.
How are you?
Pizza ready.
Pizza ready? Oh,
Soon
okay,
come.
soon.
I too.
Hello.
Yeah, I can.
Hi, my name is Maria. What's your name? Ireland. Ireland, can I take it on you? So Ireland, what do you like to do?
Pizza.
Yeah? What else do you like to do?
Ask him.
Okay, and what else do you like? You like to have fun?
Yeah.
What do you do when you're angry? What do you do when you're sad? What do you do when you're happy? What do you do when you're excited? What do you do when you want to caca? What do you do when you want to fart?
Oh, that's a big one.
Oh, yucky. What do you do when you want to play?
Mommy.
Good boy. Thank Okay. Pizza's coming.
Yay! Pizza coming.
Should be here soon. Oh, look at that, guys. Mama's pizza. Ooh, half Hawaiian and half Napolitan. Beautiful. Let's shell this down, hey, baby?
Yeah, man, that's a good one.
That is what's happening.